to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day nail art. Something fun, something cute, something simple. I'm going to be using Presto number 64. I really like Presto colors. Great coverage. So, you know, I like Valentine's Day, and I don't mind doing nail art for Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to be like, oh, hearts and all that. I figure, you know, think outside the box. You can still do color schemes along the lines with Valentine's Day. But yeah, see that coverage? That's one coat. I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds, just so I can do some art on top of it. While that's curing, I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about some of my products. I have this base coat that I absolutely love. It's really sticky. To get a good cure, you want to make sure you cure for at least 30 seconds, which is very important. Also, I have this great top coat. My top coat I really love, but if you want it to be super shiny, I say cure for 60 seconds at least. You want it to be, oh, our nail is ready. Okay, take this color out. Oh, look how pretty that is. Isn't it beautiful? So I'm also working on like gel colors as well. So this is one of my reds that I developed. Isn't it beautiful? So I think what I want to do is like some negative space. I pretty much kind of just carve it out. I don't want to say carve it out, but I just pretty much do some lines or circles or whatever it is you want to do. Let's see, this still is, you know, the whole Valentine's Day feel without it being some hearts. I want to do, make sure this is even. See how great this coverage is? I'm so excited about my gel color line. I'm still working on some colors, but I have only certain colors that I'm going to be working with. So now I'm going to take my Rock by Holly gel brush. I have several of these, so I use them for different things. This one I'm going to be doing negative space, and this is a simple, quick and easy way to do your negative space. I'll take a little alcohol so I can clean my brush when necessary. So I'm just gonna take my brush, I'm gonna clean it with some alcohol, and then I'm really just gonna cut some lines out. There's a little fuzzy wuzzy in there. Darn it. But you know what I mean. It's good to have stuff that's lint free too when you're working with gel. Let me just get this hair off. It's messing up what I got going on. I just want to get all the red out so it's nice and clean. Okay, so then I'm gonna do the same for over here. Take the line out. When you're using your brush to clean, you want to make sure that you dry the alcohol off so you have clean lines. And that, like I'm having to do, and because this red is so pigmented, I'm gonna have to go through and just really clean up so it's nice and sharp. then you have your negative space already. So now I want to take my striper brush. I'm just going to add a little detail to it. Let's clean that good. And again, you know, when you're using your gel colors, always use alcohol. And then you want to always make sure that you clean your brushes really good. Nice even cure. During this time, like when I'm waiting for nails to dry or do their thing, I like to clean up my area. I think having a clean workstation is super important. I be seeing you guys working and your station is dirty, dusty, and like it's not cool. So, you know, I try to make sure I clean up everything after I use it. I use a lot of gel, so I always like to wipe my things down, bottles and stuff, keep them stick free. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Super cute. Okay. Now I'm going to take my top coat, and this is a soak off gel. It is a no wipe top coat, which I love. However, by being no wipe, it is a little thinner. So if you use it, I would use a different top coat if I was going to use it with foils, because it's so thin and, you know, sometimes it can crack the foils. But as far as like regular colors and polish, let's see. I should say gel color. Get enough on there. Oh, must be running low. Okay, you see that? Isn't it beautiful? Now that little ripple thing would drive me crazy, so of course I'm gonna have to go in and put something on there, maybe some dots. We'll see. Yeah, I might do some dots because that's gonna drive me crazy. I know it would drive me crazy looking at it all day, because yeah, it would stress me out. So let me let this cure for like let that cure, and then while that's curing, I can just kind of go over some of my products that I have to show you guys. Here I have my rainbow brush. I love this brush. It's so cute. It's so fun. You know, cleans up very well. I have a few people that do have these. I'm hoping that, you know, you guys log on, go into the website, buy some. I have plenty of products to buy on rockedbyholly.com. I also have my gel brush, which I was using earlier. It does have a small brush on it. I do like it though. It works really, really well. And there's a spatula on the end. I know you guys probably like, well, why does she have a spatula on the end of that? Well, the reason why is because I have also my own poly extension gel. And I absolutely love this. This is what I use on my nails. I've been perfecting this product for the last, I don't know, 2 years now. And it's finally where I want it. And I'll share more of this with you guys. But yeah, a couple of my products I wanted to share while we're waiting on the nail art to cure. And voila, here we go, everyone. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial for some quick, easy, fun Valentine's Day nail art without the Valentine's Day. Still has, you know, the colors. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. Really, really hope you guys enjoyed all of this. And how super cute and fun is this? All right, you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning in.